Welcome to Airstream Wheeler. Please comment, like, and subscribe for more Airstream videos.
If I'm not mistaken, it's bent upward where it goes into the truck.
We were on a road trip and Shauna was feeling like the trailer wasn't handling well, like it was bouncy and feeling generally unsafe. Putting safety first, we decided to stop for the night at a rest area. We were close to out of doors marked, so we decided to go there in the morning.
This is a Blue Ox load leveling and sway control setup.
We think the damage was done at one of our anchor locations that we mooch dock at frequently. Has a very steep driveway. Since the shank is bent upward, we think it's not a heavy weight issue, but more an angle issue, and trying to back up the steep grade with the load bars tensioned was more leverage than the system could handle. Out of Doors Mart's recommendation was to upgrade to the 1,000-pound max rated hitch versus the 800 that we had, and I think we've learned our lesson about being careful about backing up steep grades and sharp corners with the bars tensioned. We finished out our trip with the new setup, and it eliminated all the things that we didn't care for with the previous setup. We know we have a light-duty truck, and downsizing is always a constant project. Stay tuned for another video where I go through the tools, supplies, and spares that we're carrying just to make sure that we're not carrying too much. After getting the setup dialed in at Airstream, the technician recommended that I cut off the bottom 2 inches of the hitch so that it doesn't drag on speed bumps. This hitch is a Blue Ox Sway Pro weight distribution and sway control hitch. It's rated for 1,000 pounds tongue weight and 10,000 pounds trailer weight.